Yeah, that's true. I mean, especially when we talk about controversial subjects like, for instance, homosexuality. Everyone has an opinion and it gets quite heated.
You know, sexuality is given more importance than it should. People make this because it's maybe in our culture and the way we've been brought up, it's been a taboo.
Suppose right now I was to make a pass at you. How would you deal with it?
I think I'd be really flattered if a woman made a pass at me, because for a man to make a pass at me is probably in their DNA. Not at me, but for a man to make a pass at a woman.
Well, I think it's a compliment, no? I don't.
I should hope so.
Of course it is. I don't think there's anything wrong with. Yes, I know the typical thing should be boy and girl.
Does that mean that that homosexuality is something that's against nature?
बहुत खतरनाक चीज है. मैं तो इसको जब से सुना तो मैंने कहा सबसे पहले मैं इसका विरोध करूंगा.
India is the pits.
Wait, I mean, homosexuality is still illegal.
We have that Article 377.
मैं इसलिए विरोध करूंगा कि ब्रह्मचारी रहना है. आपको शादी नहीं करनी है तो मेरी तरह से रहो, और शादी करनी है तो ऐसे रहो जैसे तुम्हारे माँ बाप रहते थे.
I don't think personally I am some doyen or authority on what sexuality should be. I just about make it myself.
I don't think there's anything wrong with woman or man.
कि यदि तुम्हारी माँ किसी लड़की के साथ रहती है, तुम्हारा बाप किसी लड़के के साथ रहता, तो तुम पैदा हो जाते.
So is that one cannot enjoy sex for the sake of sex?
If pleasure was not attached, you wouldn't be born, I'm telling you. Believe me.
I find it strange that people reduce relationships to just that. And you know, I've not actually been linked with a lot of people except for Karan Johar, which is okay. You know, I love him and I'll always love him. Which does not mean we have hot, sweaty sex.
I don't really care about who I sleep with.
I'm open to trying anything. I'm what people call trisexual.
You know,
it's your personal,
it's
private
my personal,
matter.
private life. It doesn't really make a difference. It shouldn't make a difference to anyone else.
It is not for me to comment on anybody's individual choices.
What more can one ask for?
You know, girlfriend.
Or boyfriend.
Oh, well.
Correct. Finally,
yeah.
You've spoken the truth.
Oh, you know, there's a question I really wanted to ask you.
Please, ask. Finally, somebody.